up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're on our way to Aldo Performance out here in San Fernando Valley. We're going to be taking him the clone, and he's going to be just going over everything and tuning it. So the clone should be ready soon to be out. My goal is to hopefully try to get it out by Bandas y Trocas with the wrap and everything, but I'm not going to rush it. It's been sitting at my house for the last 2 months or so, but we're back on it. We're going to start working on it again and get it ready. Alright, so like you guys know, this is the official Truckin Around burnout truck, and we're gonna leave it here at Aldo's right now. He's gonna go over the LSA. He's gonna change some things around, not because they're wrong, but because every builder works differently. So he's gonna take care of that, and then he's gonna tune it, and it's gonna be ready to go. It's gonna be ready for the pit. We'll see at what show you guys catch it at.
Nice. So good to Aldo. I'm gonna pick up the phone right now.
What up, man?
Hey, Dad.
Good, good. You?
Good, good.
Aldo here? Ay, cabrón.
Check out the shit.
¿Qué onda?
Alright. Someone's right here. He's ready to go home. We have to buy it all over again.
So the
Because we're gonna, everything's gonna be rerouted. The pump, la enamorada una acá atrás del bumper or something acá atrás.
It's gonna be for the new water pump, right?
Yeah, and then, we added, boost reference, the return line, the gas tank, and, clean up the wiring harness a little bit. Cut, the return, like they had used to cut that. We covered this up a little bit, like zip tie it so you won't see the harness. It's not the greatest, but yeah, but let's do it. This can be done better. We gotta do by like another line. So I'm zigzagging.
So when the water pump comes, we wonder we can do the.
What was that again?
When the water pump comes,
Just keep in mind. Okay, yes, for sure. But we're gonna have to buy injectors, and we're gonna have to buy another fuel pump. So you're gonna have to have 2 fuel pumps.
okay.
The brake inside tends to blow up. So they reinforce them. All they do is just add like a little plate on the back of the brick where it blows up. That's all it is. It's not even expensive, bro, to reinforce that. You ship it out and they're going like 120, 130, 130 bucks, something like that.
All right.
And we'll do that. Other than that, pretty much it. Sounds good, looks good. Come on, Danny, do my crash stuff, bro.
I don't need the negativity, bro.
This thing just fucking burns out.
Obviously, we're gonna have them wired up to ignition, or we can put them to a switch so when you're gonna burn out, you can just always turn them on, or have it running at all times. But yeah.
Sounds good too. Guys, so we picked up the truck. We have the cover here. We still gotta paint it blue. I told you guys I was gonna wrap the truck or paint the truck, but we're still waiting on that. But like he said, Aldo said he did a little modifications. Again, it's just different builder, so he does things differently. I told him, oh, you're gonna finish it, do whatever you have to do, change whatever you have to do. He also recommended the gauges that we put in here. I'll open it right now. But again, it's gonna be the cover for the Supercharger is gonna be blue to match the truck. The truck is gonna be something with blue, black. So it starts, you know, the inside is blue, so we gotta go with the blue. The steering wheel, we got the gauges here, boost and air fuel ratio. We're also gonna do the seats. We're gonna put a sound system, but like I said, it's gonna be slowly. We're gonna keep building it, but soon, pretty soon, we should have it at shows. Supercharger is ready. The only thing he recommended is a bigger and better water pump, which we ordered already. It should be here in the next couple of weeks, and then once we change that, we should be 100% ready with the Supercharger. Motor sounds good, Supercharger sounds good, everything's running good so far, so we're ready to start blowing some tires. I'll be honest, I myself haven't burned out yet, so I gotta get used to the truck. I gotta practice before I get it into a pit, but I'm pretty sure we'll have more than one person willing to put it in the pit for us. So the cover basically just goes up here, sits on top, but we do gotta cut some parts up or move some hoses, like this one right here. It doesn't go in because this part right here, so most likely I'll have to cut this. I'm gonna look into it and see what's the best way, if I can move some hoses around. tuck them in or something so that this sits in there perfectly. But that should be it. We also gonna get a hood from Street Concept, maybe something with a glass so that we can see the supercharger. But I'll hit up Street Concept and we'll get that going pretty soon. For now, that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the clone. It's gonna be a badass build once it's all complete. I know it's gonna take me a while, but slowly but surely it's coming together. So guys, really quick, so far we've had 4 different shops work on the truck. I want to give a big shout out to them. We're gonna start, well, 4 companies work with the truck, not 4 shops. First, Aldo Performance, big shout out to him for taking the truck in, taking care of the little details they had, you know, tuning it, getting it ready. So big shout out to him. Next, Ramon Team Billet, he did the drop, he did the 5.8 drop. Big shout out to him too. He made time, he took me in same day, you know, did the notch, did everything. Shout out to him. LA Billets, the wheels, billets, intros or welds, he can get you guys. So if you guys are looking for wheels, make sure to visit him on Instagram, LA Billets. He'll give you a good price, but also good customer service, and he'll help you out. As of for the steering wheel, badass steering wheel, really recommend it. I guess I'm actually gonna flip the phone right now. So steering wheel's freaking bad, really nice, smooth, feels nice when you hold it, when you grab onto it. However you want to grab it, from here, even from here, from the top, however it is you drive, it feels really good, smooth. Highly recommend it. If you're looking for a steering wheel, if you want to change the steering wheel, this is the one you want to go with. They do badass custom ones, so if you want a different color, you want a different pattern or whatever, they can do it. It's bad. I really recommend it. And last but not least, easy clusters with the custom truck around cluster, blue needles, white light to match the whole blue theme. Very nice, really nice. He can do different customized logos or whatever it is that you want, different colors. So if you're looking for a cluster, Easy Clusters in Texas, he'll ship them to you. He's the one to go with. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching another video. Make sure to subscribe. Like I said, we're gonna be bringing more content out with the trucks. Now with the oh, sorry, I almost killed it. Tomorrow's vlog, I got a little surprise. I got a store coming. So we're gonna drop the vlog tomorrow about the store and tell you guys a little bit about it. So make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. One last thing, guys. Big shout out to Boost District for hooking me up with the Supercharger. This truck is gonna be fucking bad. I know what I'm telling you guys. Like I said, we just gotta get used to it, but we're getting there. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.